So I'm sure you've now realised that cats are a lot harder to handle than dogs. It's important then to have a few different restraint mechanisms in mind in order to restrain them for different procedures. To restrain a cat using a towel, firstly place it in sternal recumbency. Take the shorter end and tuck underneath. Then take the longer end and wrap it round the cat's body. When secure, the cat will be unable to bite or scratch the handler as easily. To release, simply unravel the longer end. With extremely vicious cats, approach from behind and place the towel over their back. Once again, tuck the shorter end underneath and use the longer end to wrap round the body. The next restraint aid we're going to demonstrate is the use of muzzles. Muzzles can also be used in cats as well as dogs. The main difference being that using a muzzle on a cat, it covers actually their eyes as well as their nose and mouth. So to do this, you scrap the cat with one hand, then maintain extra control using your elbow and forearm, and place the muzzle over the nose and mouth. So now I was demonstrating. Good girl, Willow. And then secure behind the ears, as shown. Then to release, just detach the velcro in the back of the neck. There we go.
The next restraint aid is the cat bag. Now this isn't quite useful to towel in the sense that it's not always readily available. However, it's specifically designed for difficult cats and to help restrain cats for different procedures. So, to get the cat into the cat bag, scruff its neck and lift it right on top of the cat bag. Now the most important thing to remember is which size you use. If you use one that's too big, the cat can move about and your procedure won't be effective. However, if it's too small, it will be too tight and the cat just won't fit in it. So once the cat's on top of it, you can then keep scruffing the cat and cover the neck strap. Now at least the cat's slightly restrained. Next step is to curve your hand up round its backside and just gently push it in to the bag, curling in its tail. Good girl, Willow. Good girl. Then you want to zip the bag up. So if the cat's got long hair, make sure you put your index finger underneath the zip so the hair doesn't get caught. Okay. Then you can see the cat securely inside the bag and can wriggle about or attack you or escape. The next step is if you want to do something like a blood sample, so femoral, cephalic or venous, just unzip all of your zips at the side and you can actually pull out the legs. So this is good for intravenous injections or blood sampling, intramuscular injections. It's also good for working with the head area. To get the cat out of the cat bag, you want to ensure all the zips are closed and all the extremities are back inside. Then in reverse order, just unzip the bag, ensuring the fur doesn't get caught. And then you can undo the head strap last, scrub the neck so it can't stay back out, and lift the cat out of the bag. Okay, so the next restraint aid for an aggressive cat are these gauntlets. So as you can see, they're like gloves and they stretch from your hand right up to your elbow. So they should protect your forearms from bites and scratches. But the thing is, they're not actually bite resistant. If a cat wants to bite you, it can penetrate the leather. They are scratch resistant though, and they should protect you from any scratches when you're handling a cat. The best way to actually use these gauntlets though is as a distraction. So to do this, put your hand in the glove, but not right up so your fingers are in the finger spaces. This means you can flap it about like so. And then when a cat's going to attack you, you can flap it around its face, then it will go to attack the glove. So when it attacks this glove, it's distracted, and you can then grab the cat with your other hand that's actually in the glove and pick it up by its scruff, and then you can get hold of it. So this is a good technique for getting cats out of cages or carrier boxes, or even just lift up when it's been really difficult.